कि मारने वारने की सुपारी क्या करेंगे, खुद नहीं मारेंगे। कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के लिए।
Hi, this is Anupam Kher and you are watching me on MissMalini.com.
Hi, I'm Neena Gupta and you're watching me on MissMalini.com.
Hi, I'm Rakesh Bedi and you're watching me on MissMalini.com.
Today is the premiere of Mera Wo Matlab Nahi Tha, written and directed by Rakesh Bedi. It's a play about two people who meet after 35 years and they were lovers once. And it has an amazing identification in the audience. I think people see the glimpses of their lives in our life. That is mine and Neena's, Preetham Chopra and Hema Roy's. Film is about, the play is about love, plays about longing, plays about betrayal, plays about feeling hurt, plays about redemption. It has all the feelings. It has it's very modern. We have used very modern techniques. We have flashbacks shot on cinema by my friend director Neeraj Pandey, and it's an exciting journey we are embarking on. I don't like to give interviews just before my play, but Miss Malini is special, so they threatened me we have to do it. Anyway, no, I'm just joking. I'm happy to be here. But yes, I am petrified before the play, even if it's 300th show, because the live audience, the joy, the magic of live audience is completely different from a cinema experience or television experience for that matter. You need to gather yourself. It's a 2-hour play and just the 2-3 of us, out of which me and Neena have maximum lines. So you need to do that. Kiran was supposed to do this play, but she's in politics now. But I'm very happy. The whole team is extremely happy. She's brilliant in the play, and what better way to come back on stage than by this play called Mera Wo Matlab Nahi Tha. I think about nostalgia, there is a beautiful line which says that अतीत के पन्ने इतने पीले पड़ चुके हैं, इन्हें बार बार पलटोगी तो फट सकते हैं. The best way to pay a tribute to theatre is to buy a ticket and come and watch the play, and I'm sure we will give you 2 hours of roller coaster of life.
Nervous, excited, and trying to remember my lines. Just try and do some meditation and relax my shoulders and things. Basically, it's all about relaxing. That's what I try to do. It's like going to the loo again and again before the third bell, and then I tell myself it's okay. I know my lines. I can do it. When Rakesh narrated me the script, I loved the script, and I knew it was a very tough role to play, and it has so many emotions, so many things in it. So basically, it's the play which attracted me to do this role, and I was also free to devote time to it. It takes a lot of dedication and discipline. Yeah. Watch it because you will see you so many times in it. Be kind and love me.
Well, this play, Mera Wo Matlab Nahi Tha, I wrote it around 6-7 years back, and it's about two lovers who were lovers when they were young, and then they drifted apart for obvious reasons, which are there in the play to be seen. And but they have been angry with each other throughout their life because one thinks the other ditched. But when they meet and they open the cards of their lives, there are different layers which are opened one by one, and they discover that they are not to be blamed. They were not to be blamed. It was the circumstances, it was the society, it was some family, matters which drifted them apart. And they have lived their own lives, and whatever they have lived, they share with each other what kind of lives they have lived. And in between, I also play a character. I keep on coming. I have a neighbor here, Mr. Preetham Kumar Chopra, the role played by Mr. Anupam. So I keep on, poking my nose into their very romantic conversation, and the woman, Neena Gupta, she gets very irritated at one point of time, almost throws me out of the park because she doesn't like me. And nobody likes, if two people are talking and somebody comes and tries to intrude into the privacy. But that creates some kind of comic moments also, because the play is very heavy otherwise. It needs some relief also. So I feel that Anupam Kher and Neena Gupta have done a fantastic job, and I couldn't have found a better cast for this play. And the way Mr. Kher has mounted the play, has set it up, it's really amazing. It happened that we were deciding upon names, whom we should take, and suddenly her name cropped up in Mr. Kher's mind. And he called her up and he set up a meeting of mine with the script, narration. I went to her house, I narrated. It was a 2-hour narration, and the moment it was finished, she said, I'm on board, I want it, I want to do it. But it's a very challenging role, it's a very interesting role. It has lots and lots of shades. It has shades of a woman liberation, it has shades of a woman's tender love, it has shades of a woman's caring mother, it has shades of absolute superiority also in her own self-esteem. It has lots of shades, and they all come out in her portrayal. There's a lovely phrase for this play. Shall I tell you? The phrase is, "Mera wo matlab nahi tha." Yes, I said it. I didn't mean it.
Hi, this is Divya Datta. You're watching me on MissMalini.com. First thoughts, total entertainment. I guess it's a beautiful thing when you're watching live performances, that even for the actors as well as the audience that watch it. So I guess we should be, I think it's a thorough entertainment to watch it, and so this kind of entertainment should be encouraged.
Hi, I'm Tiska Chopra and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. I'm here to watch the play Mera Ye Matlab Nahi Tha with Anupam Kher and Neena Gupta. I'm extremely excited. Theatre is always fresh and exciting.
Hi, I'm Isha Gupta and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. I'm really excited because it's my mentor. I did my acting course from Actors Prepare. So yes! We have two great artists, Neena ji and Anupam sir. So I think just great performances is what we're looking for.
Hi, I'm Ritesh Deshmukh and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. Anupam sir, he's a friend of mine. I've done many films with him. I'm really looking forward to watching him perform on the stage with obviously Neena ji. Both of them are extremely talented actors, and nothing better than watching these talented people on stage. And I think a big thank you to MissMalini.com and the entire team for always supporting and writing such sweet things. And I am an ardent follower of MissMalini.com.
Draw your face. Every mom knows exactly what they want to do, and every mom is the best mom. So yeah.